This little sensor just measured a lighter flame hitting 700 degrees Celsius in real time. Let's see how it actually works. So this is the MAX31865 paired with a K-type thermocouple probe. And basically, this acts like a thermometer, but a lot better. Unlike a regular thermometer, this doesn't just show you a number, it can actually log and store the data, so you can go back and analyze it later. Let's put it to the test. First, I'm going to hit it with a flame from a lighter, and you can see the temperature shoot up to around 700 degrees Celsius almost instantly. Now let's try something a lot milder. Just touching it with my hand, and you can see it settle into normal human body temperature range. To get this working, I built a desktop app in Python. You connect the Arduino to your laptop, and it needs a CP210X driver installed for the board to actually get detected. Once that's set up, you hit the reset button, and the readings start coming in. Technically, it's supposed to be 20 readings per second, but in practice it runs a little under that. Right now I've only got one connected, so it's just showing a single channel. But you could scale this up to monitor multiple points at the same time. When you're done collecting data, you just hit export, save it through File Explorer, and it drops out as an Excel file, readings and a graph.